Someday in your life, you will have to face your fear. Right in the peak of monsoon season, we decided to trek a ridge which was very close to the city, but yet very secluded. Nakhind ridge is approximately 2200 feet high and is a moderate height till the top of the ridge. After crossing the overflooded brook, we reached Waginichi Wadi. Finding a right path from here is quite a tricky job. In case of any confusion, take the guidance of villagers. After hiking up to the ridge, we had to face some extreme weather with heavy storm. The speed of the wind could be gauged by the rain torrents, which were flowing horizontally instead of vertical. Some of us were cherishing this moment, while some were facing their fears. Eventually, we made to the last point Nede and had a good meal celebrating our adventurous hike. In a group of 30, there were people who were aquaphobic and acrophobic. These guys initially flattered and stumbled, but eventually conquered their fears. Someday in your life, you will have to face your fear. Do not get bogged down. Do not get discouraged. Do not even think of turning back. Just face it, and you will conquer your fear.